Want to make sure your ridge vents are actually doing their job and not just sitting there looking pretty? Okay, so first up, check if your ridge vents run along the entire peak of your roof without any gaps. If there are spaces where the vent stops short, that's a red flag right there. Next, look inside your attic on a sunny day. Should be some daylight peeking through the vent holes, which means air can flow. Also, make sure the vent isn't covered by shingles or debris because that kills the airflow. If you feel like the attic still gets super hot or damp, it might be time to double check if the vent was nailed down too tight or sealed off by mistake. Don't forget to look for baffles or insulation stopping the airflow near the vents. Those need to be clear. Sometimes, just a quick poke around can tell you if the vent's blocked or damaged from storms or critters. Lastly, remember that proper attic ventilation is a team effort. Your ridge vents need to work with soffit vents to keep air moving right. One of the biggest issues with ridge vent installation is improper placement, like the vents not being centered or running unevenly along the roof's peak, which messes with airflow and causes hot spots in your attic. Fix it by ensuring the vent gets installed straight and runs edge to edge on the ridge. Another common problem is over-nailing or sealing the vent too much, which basically chokes it off. The fix is to use just enough nails and avoid sealing the vent openings. Third, sometimes contractors forget to pair ridge vents with enough soffit vents, so air has no way to enter and exit properly. If that's the case, adding more soffit vents or checking existing ones can save you from costly heat damage or moisture buildup. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you want to find trusted local contractors who really know what they're doing when it comes to roof ventilation and other home projects. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for steady work, they help connect you with homeowners who need your skills, making it easier to grow your business without all the hassle.